Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for central Dallas County in north central Texas until midnight Central Standard Time at 9:07 p.m. Central Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to over 4 inches of rain has already fallen across parts of northern Dallas County. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low-water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Rowlett, Wiley, Coppell, Duncanville, Farmers Branch, Bulk Springs, University Park, Sanch C, Seagoville, Patterson, Highland Park, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, and Sunnyvale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.